Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is pretty much the same as last week's video because I don't actually know what to film. I'm very indecisive. So we're just going to do the same thing, people who couldn't drive in the UK. But before we do start, make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment and please share it now. Let's go. Hey! Hey! You hit and still carried on. Wow. This is why you need to look. Because of that. Yeah. Yeah, the car's funny enough. Whoa! 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 Wow. Okay, it looks like we got a police car. I'm guessing we got a police car because it's a very yellow bonnet. And I can also see a police sign on it. Hey! Bikers, stay on your side of the road. Skoda pulls in, and because of that, because he's too slow, honestly. Taxi just ran a red light. Went in the other lane to do it, the wrong lane. Somebody's gonna pull out. Somebody's gonna pull out. Yep, somebody pulled it out. That gave me a real jump scare. Whoa! What was that? I landed in the field. Wow. Broke the middle finger. Wow. Wow. Whoa, go on your side of the lane, man. What is that? That's bro, that's a bloody car or a caravan overtaking a lorry. Oh, motorbike people, something's bound to happen. Ay.
Socialising people.
Aye!
Idiot!
Why, man? Why do that? Whoa, on the grass, very narrow road. What was that? What is that? Oh, dude crashed. Of course he did because he came around too fast. I'm not surprised.
Okay.
Who's gonna run the traffic lights? Yeah, someone did. Well, throw it in the traffic. In the traffic. Come on. Pulling out as usual. Got to be careful in those situations. And did find a red light. What? What? Whoa! Tire just burst. Yep, he did. What? Why are you not in the curb? Seriously? You couldn't wait? Of course he ran a red light. Luckily no one was there. Oh, yeah, even he nearly ran it. Who's gonna cut each other off? Yeah, I don't know. I'm pulling out. Really? Seriously? Whoa! Whoa! What? Clearly. What's it doing? Of course. Caravan drivers can't drive. Just gonna come around the corner, of course. It's gonna pull out, yeah. Hey. Of course, get caught. What is he doing? What are you doing? Yeah, I can see. Why is he doing this? Honestly. I'll try not to be. Whoa! Yeah. You saw that. Van drivers just can't drive. I also find it really funny how when people are in the wrong, they don't think they're in the wrong and they just don't care. And there is the aftermath. And that is it for a cable wrapping around my arm. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, even though it was technically the same as last week. I should be coming out with a different video next week, but I will see you then. Peace out, guys.